Hi, you're welcome to GMath class. Now let's solve this problem. Now find x if 3 raised to the power of x minus m equals to 5 raised to the power of x minus n. Now the first thing to do here is to divide both sides by 5 raised to the power of x minus m. So let's do that. So we have 3 raised to the power of x minus m over 5 raised to the power of x minus n equals to 5 raised to the power of x minus m over 5 raised to the power of x minus n. Now here you will factor out the power. So this turns to 3 over 5 raised to the power of x minus n. Since if I have x raised to the power of m divided by y raised to the power of n, can be written as x over y raised to the power of n. So I can now express this. They have the same power, so I can factor out the power just like I did here. Alright, so this expression here turns to this. Okay, so this gives you 1. Now 1, so we have 3 raised to the power of 3 over 5 raised to the power of x minus n equals to 3 over 5 raised to the power of 0. This is the same thing as 1. This is the same thing. We have 1 here. Any number apart from 0 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So now the base are the same thing now. So you can equate the power. So we have x minus m equals to 0. So therefore x equals to n. So that's going to be the answer to this problem. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, try and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks.